Hello students, welcome to my class. Today now we are going to study lesson first from your book First Flight, a letter to God. This lesson is written by G.L. Fuentes. He is a novelist, poet and journalist also, and this is a short story, and in this story the author used irony and humor. And this in this story we will find and a old man and whose name is Lencho, who has a great faith in a God, and so to he wrote a letter to the God. So now story detail. Lencho had his lonely house in the valley. It was situated on the top of low hill. From there one could see the river and the field. Lencho had good crop, but it need rain badly. As Lencho house made of on the crest of valley, and his house is surrounded by river and green field, and it was very pleasant place, and there is also a Lencho crops also. Lencho had corn crops, so he needed rain also. Lencho saw the sky in the north. It had rain cloud. His wife was preparing the supper. He told her that, God willing, it would rain. Soon, big drop of rain began to fall. Lencho went out to feel the rain of his body. He was very glad. He said that the drop of rain were new coin. In this story, as in Lencho's family, Lencho wife, and he had two children. One is elder and another is bigger, small. And both Lencho and his children come out from his home, and they saw the cloud in the sky, and then they become very happy as they need rain. And this rain is a silver coin for him. And soon the rain started, or rain शुरू हो जाती है, and Lencho's children, they started dancing and they become very happy. And but after some times this rain changed into a hailstorm. But soon the hail rained on everywhere. The fields become white as if covered with salt. The crops was totally destroyed. Lencho became sad. He felt that they would go hunger that year, as they would have no seed for the next crop. And after in the beginning the rain started very slowly, and this rain changed in a hailstorm, and his all field covered with snow, and it looked like a silver white sheet on his field. And now his all crops become destroyed, and Lencho become very sad, but he has strong faith in a God. But Lencho had a single hope, help from God. He was sure that no one dies hunger. He had a great faith in a God. The following Sunday, he went to the post office. He wrote a letter to God to send him 100 peso. He wrote God as the address. As he had a strong faith in a God, so he went to the post office and wrote a letter to the God, and he had written that he needed 100 peso to run his family, and in the space of address he had written only God. An employee of the post office saw this letter to the postmaster. The postmaster first of all laughed, seeing the address. He wished to have such a faith in God. He had an idea and answered the letter but reading it, he found that the writer needed money. It was keep the faith of the writer, so he asked all his friends and employees to give some money. When the employees find the letter, and first of all he laughed because this letter is written to the God, and other employees also laughed. When he opened the letter, he find that a person who had a great strong faith in a God, and now he needed 100 peso as his crops destroyed. He want 100 peso to run his family. So he decided to arrange 100 peso and from his employees, but he was able to arrange only 70 peso. So he put 70 peso in the envelope and sent to the Lencho. The postmaster could collect only 70 peso. In this way, he put the money in an envelope and addressed it Lencho. He wrote a single word on it, God, as a signature. It means उसने सिग्नेचर की अपनी सिग्नेचर की जगह उसने गॉड के सिग्नेचर करे, जिससे उसको ये पता लगे कि ये लेटर किसने भेजा है, उसको गॉड ने उसके लेटर का आंसर दिया है. द पोस्ट मास्टर कुड कलेक्ट the following Sunday. Lencho came to the post office. He asked if there was any letter for him. He was given that letter. Lencho did not show any surprise on seeing the money. He got angry. When he counted the money, he felt that God could not have made a mistake. So on the following Sunday, when Lencho received the letter, he became very happy. And when he opened, he thanked the God. And when he opened, he found there is 70 peso instead of 100. So he got angry, and he felt that God could not have made a mistake. यानी भगवान ऐसी मिस्टेक नहीं कर सकता कि 100 पैसों की जगह वो 70 पैसे रखे. Immediately Lencho wrote another letter. और इस तरह से जो लेंचो दोबारा से फिर एक और लेटर लिखता है गॉड को. He put it in the mailbox. The postmaster opened it. Lencho had written in that letter that he received only 70 peso, but he had asked for 100 peso. He asked God to send him the rest money, but God should not send it through the mail. It was because the post office employees were crook. So immediately Lencho wrote another letter to the God. In this letter he mentioned that instead of 100 peso he received only 70, and it was he believed that it is the mistake, it was not mistake of God. ये God की mistake नहीं हो सकती कि 100 पैसे की जगह 70 पैसे रखे. And this was all mistake by employees. ये सारी गड़बड़ किसने की है? Employees ने की है. They take out, उन्होंने उसमें से थर्ड यानी 30 पैसों निकाल लिए हैं और they put only 70 peso to him. And he also mentioned this letter next time God should not send it through the mail. और उस नेक्स्ट टाइम अब जब कभी भी पैसे गॉड सेंड करे उसको, जो रेस्ट ऑफ मनी जो है वो सेंड करे, तो उसको वो पोस्ट यानी मेल के जरिए उसको नहीं भेजे और गॉड उसको खुद उसी के एड्रेस पर भेजे. इट वॉज बिकॉज द पोस्ट ऑफिस एम्प्लॉयज वर क्रूक. सो इन दिस लेटर वी फाइंड दैट देयर इज अ आयरनी एंड ह्यूमर. क्यों ह्यूमर? इसलिए कि गॉड को लेटर, ऐसा कोई कभी नहीं होता कि गॉड को लेटर लिखा जाए और गॉड उसका रिप्लाई दे. तो दिस इज अ ह्यूमर एंड आयरनी इज दैट देयर. एंड Lencho, who had a strong faith in a trust, he had a trust and strong faith in a God. So in the next video we will discuss the question answer of this lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.